Hey, how's it going guys? Welcome back. So in this video I want to show you how to play Harvey by Hers, and we're gonna do easy chords, no capo, no bar chords, and it's in standard tuning, so this is perfect for beginner. Now without any further ado, let's just jump right in. So moving on, it's a very simple 4-chord song, and for the chords we have A minor, D, G, and E minor. And you're only gonna have to repeat them from the beginning to the end. And the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Like that. So it's once each chord. Alright, now let's play the song. I'm not the worst for it. Suffice to say, this isn't quite fair. But no one really knows me like Harvey. And once you met me, don't you know the beat? You get it, you wanna know who he is, where we go. You get it, you wanna see what it is. Alright, so that was the first intro, verse 1, and the pre-chorus, and now we're gonna get to the first chorus. Harvey, nobody knows what I see. Nobody knows I'm waiting for you to call. Harvey, nobody knows what I see. Everyone thinks I'm yeah, so that was the chorus, and then we're gonna get to the second verse. But at the moon amid an empty street, without the remnants of the evening, said Harvey, let me be the one to say I wouldn't dream this any other way. You get it, you wanna know who he is, where we go. You get it, you wanna see what it is. In the name Harvey, nobody knows what I see. And that was the second chorus. Now guys, literally you only have to repeat A minor, D, G, and E minor from the beginning to the end of the song. So that was Harvey by Hers. I hope it helps you guys. If you guys have any requests or any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.